Hi, this is Jerome Joseph, live in Bali. I'm here working with senior leaders on how to create a culture that is driven by brand and by leaders who are able to influence and act as a catalyst for brand growth. I'm going to give you 3 tips on how you can do this for your organization. Number 1, I want you to think about how you can now create a DNA that is purposeful and is visionary. Number 2, I want you to think about how you can get your leaders together and how you can get every leader to enable behaviors, actions in the organization. And number 3, get your leaders to plan. Plan to have one-on-ones, plan to have key meetings with different stakeholders in your organization so that your leaders are able to coach and influence these different teams. My name is Jerome Joseph and I wish you success in building your brand.